This case kicks off with the state versus Alfredo Mate, and right from the jump, we see the stakes are sky high. Alfredo is sitting in court facing multiple charges, including evading arrest and unauthorized use of a vehicle. Now, here's where it gets interesting. His original bonds were already set at $15,000 and $10,000, but because his bondsman backed out and filed what's called an affidavit of surrender, Alfredo suddenly finds himself without any bond at all. This means he's stuck in custody until the court decides otherwise. That's a big deal, and today, the defense is pushing hard to get him another chance at freedom. But will the judge agree to let him out, or will Alfredo's past come back to haunt him? Stay tuned because this case takes some surprising turns.
Court is calling 2025 CR 002719 and 2025 CR 003472, State versus Wilfredo Mate. All right. Can I have parties announced?
Jason, you're here for the state bar.
Brian Kimbrough from Mr. McKay.
All right. So the defense has filed, he's actually set on May 22nd, but the defense has filed motions to set bond. Does he not have a bond set?
Yeah, he doesn't. There was, he originally had a $15,000 bond on the evading and a $10,000 bond on the unauthorized use, but he got a affidavit of surety surrender, I think, in April. So the court remanded him. And I'm just asking that the court set a bond. I mean, I would ask for the original bond, but the court can set whatever bonds it feels. Do you have a copy of the motions or do you need?
I have a copy of the motions, but does anybody have the affidavit? And you're saying it's just based upon the bondsman getting off his bond?
As far as I know, yes.
All right. Yaya, are you able to look in the system on these two cases for me? And just if you can tell me if the reason that he has no bond is that the bondsman asked that the affidavit be surrendered, and the surety be surrendered. And state, if it's a case of the surety being surrendered, what are you requesting the bonds be set at?
That's 50,000, 10,000.
Okay,
Well, I looked at the Odyssey and what I could see, that was the reason.
Okay.
However, he did pick up another case. He
All right.
picked up another case in, I think, March.
And what is the other case?
It's a drug possession. I think it's 1 to 4 less than a gram, I'm not sure. Yeah, less than a gram. So he picked up another case. However, that was in March and the bond didn't get raised until after the surety surrendered. So I assumed that was the reason.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony?
Now, this moment right here is crucial. Alfredo admits to a history of drug use, and more importantly, he reveals that he suffers from PTSD, anxiety, depression, and ADHD. These details matter in a courtroom because judges don't just consider criminal history. They also weigh a defendant's personal struggles and whether treatment or structured programs might help. On top of that, Alfredo tells the court he has 2 young children, ages 7 and 9. That paints a very different picture. Not just a defendant, but a father who could lose precious years with his kids if he doesn't turn things around. Let me ask you, do you think the court should give him another chance at freedom with strict conditions, or is his history too risky to ignore? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Wilfredo Mate.
All right, so I have to set conditions for bond for you to be successful. States you're still in agreement to 15,000 and 10,000. All right, you may be excused. Have you ever used drugs in the past? And what drug would this be?
Okay.
All right, and in the past, how often were you using?
Baby.
Okay. All right, and it is for an affidavit to surrender surety. All right, do you have any mental health issues or have you ever been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
Yes, PTSD, anxiety, depression, ADHD.
All right, and do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2,
And what are their ages?
7 and 9.
All right, you have 2, 7 and 9.
Yeah.
All right, and if you were released on bond, who would you be staying with?
I just got approved for a program, and it's a men's home. And it's work through a church called New Direction. Pastor Raymond Torres, told me yesterday to give you guys his phone number, and I wrote it all down,
Okay.
his address, so that I can go directly there. So I want to go to a program.
Just 1 second off the record. Cindy, you need a cough drop or anything? And so you say the name of the new program is, the program is New Direction?
New Direction.
All right. All right, this is Ms. Ferguson, if you can give him a reset form for May 22nd. And then what I will do, I will set your bond as agreed to. And the evading arrest detention, your bond will be set at the 10,000. I'm sorry, the 15,000.
Yes.
And I'm going to ask that he reside at, and you said it's New Direction?
New Direction.
And what is the address?
Look here. 1139 Gembler Road.
Spell Gimbler, I'm sorry.
Gembler. And that's 78210 in San Antonio.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you reside there. And then I'm going to add regular UAs and a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. And I'll do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And in the unauthorized use case, the court will set your bond at $10,000. And you're to reside at New Direction at 1139 Gimbler, 78210. Regular UAs, referral to Center for Healthcare Services, and 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And you'll be brought, you'll need to appear back here on May 22nd. All right, and if you have any problems or issues with getting treatment, just let the court know.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
That's
Jess?
where we are. Thank you.
All right, and counsel, I'll write this on the motion, so if you need a copy of it, you can have a copy of it.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
God bless.
Oh, thank you. God bless you too.
And there it is. The judge grants Alfredo new bonds, $15,000 for evading arrest and $10,000 for unauthorized use. But freedom doesn't come easy. Alfredo must live at a men's home called New Direction, follow strict conditions like 90 recovery meetings in 90 days, submit to regular drug testing, and engage with mental health services. Essentially, this is a second chance, but with very tight strings attached. The big question is, can Alfredo stick to the plan, or will history repeat itself? Only time will tell. If you found this case as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more eye-opening courtroom breakdowns. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.